Hi, this is question 1 of the regression models chapter on regression to the mean, and it says you have two noisy scales and a bunch of people that you'd like to weigh. You weigh each person on both scales. The correlation was 0.75. If you normalized each set of weights, what would you have to multiply the weight on one scale to get a good estimate of the weight on the other scale? So in this case, what we're talking about is having scale 1 and scale 2 here and a bunch of points. If we were to normalize it, we would normalize it so that the center of the axes falls right in the mean of the data and that the standard deviation is 1 for both the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. In this case, the slope of the best fitting regression line is simply the correlation, because remember, the slope is the correlation times the ratio of the standard deviations. So if we've normalized these so that they both have standard deviation 1, it's exactly that. So then if we wanted to predict, for example, the second weight given the first, it would simply be multiplying the first weight by the correlation. So we would simply multiply that weight by 0.75 to get the estimated weight on the second one. But remember, of course, in this case, the weights have been normalized.